In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scan on Adobe Acrobat. To get started, open Adobe Acrobat and make sure you're in the PDF you want to work with. This gives you the right starting point, especially if you're planning to add scanned pages into an existing document or create a clean digital version that you can save and share later. Before moving on, it's also a good idea to confirm that your scanner is connected properly and turned on, so Acrobat can detect it without any issues. Once you're inside Acrobat, go to the All Tools tab and choose Scan and OCR. This is the area in Acrobat designed for bringing paper documents into the app and converting them into a digital PDF. OCR stands for Optical Character Recognition, which can help make scanned text readable and searchable, depending on your setup and document quality. After that, look for the Scanner drop-down menu and select your scanner. If your scanner is connected correctly, it should appear there as an available option. If you don't see it right away, give the connection a quick check and make sure your device is ready. This step is important because Acrobat needs to know which scanner to use before it can begin capturing pages. Next, configure your scan settings. This is where you decide how your document should look. For example, you can choose black and white for simple text-based paperwork, or color if your document includes images, highlights, or colored sections that need to be preserved. You'll also want to choose a resolution. A setting like 300 dpi is a solid choice for most Office documents because it gives you a clear result without making the file unnecessarily large. Taking a moment here can really improve the final scan quality. When everything looks good, click Scan. Acrobat will begin scanning your pages based on the settings you selected. Depending on your scanner and the number of pages, this may take a few moments, so just allow the process to finish completely before making any changes. Once the pages are generated, review them carefully. If any page is sideways, you can rotate it. If the order isn't quite right, you can rearrange the pages before saving. This is a helpful final check to make sure your PDF is organized and easy to read. When you're happy with the result, go to File and then Save. As to save your new PDF, choose the location where you want to keep it, and your scanned document will be ready to use. That's it. You've successfully scanned a document using Adobe Acrobat.